Hello. Um, I will be doing something right now. So here's what we're gonna be doing. And yes, this is my room, a little messy, but now I feel better. If anybody can hear me, I am getting something. And so, if there is any Naruto and Sasuke fans out there, or Naruto fans, Naruto fans, yeah, there's a lot of things. I would recommend getting these. Is Sasuke, Uchiha, Naruto. I do have my Kakashi one. But we'll do that next time. And you can bend them. You can take off their hands. And you can replace their hand with like a fist or something. Now, Naruto came with the Rasengan. If nobody knows what Rasengan is, it's Jutsu, basically. It's basically something powerful. But if you're not a Naruto fan, go watch something else. So basically, Naruto, same thing. You can bend them, take off their feet. I don't think I mentioned that you can take off their feet, but they can, yes. If you hear anything in the background, that is my family. I don't know why you can take off their head, but you can. Yeah, the spiky hair hurts when you put it back on. Yeah, this is the Naruto figure. He came with the Rasengan and the 2 nines. Sasuke came with the Chidori rod and the Chidori. That was it. So I also will be reviewing one more thing before it's done. If any of you ever had this, then correctly, why am I going up here? I will be going off camera. So, I'm not trying to copyright Inquisitor Master or anything, but these things, they're really soft, and I would recommend getting them if you did get them. You can move their hair and stuff. They're really fun. Then I got these, so you can take this on and off. You can move them around like this. I wouldn't recommend it because you might break it. Oh, and Drake has a little bunny tail. Basically the same thing with Zach. Hoodie on the back. Yep, bunny tail, just pink. And one of their eyes are closed. And I think that's where I'm gonna leave it off for toy reviews. Maybe next time. Well, I will be posting 3 times a day. So, but tomorrow, I might not post. I might post 1 or 2 times because tomorrow I have school. And yeah, that's basically it. So, goodbye, and I will probably do another one soon. Well, not soon, but I'll do another